Hi, welcome to Virtual Construction Assistance Weekly Tips and Tricks. Our tip for this week is about using Sparklines in Excel. Having a table data in your Excel could sometimes be bland or uninteresting to read or analyze. What if we could spice it up by showing a graphs that fit in a cell? Sparklines in Excel are tiny charts that reside in a cell that are used to show a trend over time or variation in the data set. It surely does make your reports more reader-friendly. Here's how. Let's open our Excel that contains the table data. In this example, I named it as Monthly Cost Report. Looking at the table, it would be hard to instantly determine the increase or decrease of cost per item from January to April. Let's go ahead and highlight the blank thread cells where I would like to put up a chart. Select Insert Up Top and pick a sparkline type such as line, column, or win-loss. I'm going to use line to show a trend. A Create Sparklines dialog box pops up. Select the data range. Click OK. This inserts the line sparkline in the trend column. Look at that! The sparkline is dynamic and the sparkline would automatically update whenever there are changes in the data set. Additional tip, position a sparkline near its data for greatest impact. Try it for yourself. That's all for this week. See you again on the next episode of VCA Tips and Tricks.